In today's short analysis video, we're going to discuss on Salesforce stock, and the short form is CRM. My dear friends, this stock is currently on a verge of breakout due to multiple positive factors trigger on this stock. And as a result, it gives us an opportunity to buy this stock before a massive rally of 12% get trigger from the current price. My dear friends, this stock has already broken out from an important resistance level, and along with that, the stock has already materialized multiple positive breakout. With all these positive factors, the stock is immediately going to give an upside rally of 12% from the current price. And my friends, this is an opportunity. It would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to buy this stock before a massive upside move of 12% get triggered. My dear friends, this stock was under corrections since from December 2024, and stock has spent almost 1.5 months under corrections. And interestingly, it has given a both kind of corrections. There was a price wise corrections and there was a time wise correction too. In price wise correction, the stock got deeply corrected downside, and under time wise correction, the stock has done the sideways consolidation, and ultimately it has broken out from these consolidations. And now if we'll make a closer look over here, this was a top where the stock has started the corrections in the form of downward sloping parallel channel. And as long as the stock was trading under this downward sloping parallel channel, the stock was triggered with back to back lower lows. If you could see over here, the first lower lows, if you could see over here, the first lower lows trigger here, the second lower lows over here, and the last lower lows over here. And as soon as this downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper side, first time its lower lows shifted to higher highs, and this is a confirmation that stock has completed the corrections. Here we got a two major positive signal, and this is an area where the game started to change from the seller to the buyer side. Here we got actually a best two positive breakouts. The first one is downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper side, and the second positive signal is lower lows shifted to higher highs, and that we took as a confirmation that stock has completed the correction and it's ready for an upside move. As long as the lower lows is protected, as long as the previous lower lows is been protected, the stock is all set to move up, my dear friends. And now we will see the third positive signal. If you place an MACD indicator, you will be identified the positive hidden diversions. If you'll see the price action lower lows, if you'll see the price actions is shifting on the upper side, but the same thing on the downside, and here we got a breakout, and that's going to pump an upside move on the stock. And finally, my dear friends, we will see the positive chart patterns. If you'll see over here, my dear friends, if you'll see over here, the positive chart pattern, we got a rounding bottom over here, and it's got broken out near $356. And my dear friends, this very soon you will witness the price will be reaching to $400, and this will be a 12% upside move from the current price. And before hitting to the target, before before getting a target achieved, the stock will face a resistance in the middle. If you'll see over here, the stock may face a rejections over here, and there may be a possibility that the stock may go into a consolidations between this rejections line, between the resistance line, and it may come down to the area where it may come to fill the gap. So there is a one gap over here, you could see over here. There is a possibility that stock may come to fill the gap, and it may consolidate under this range. There is a possibility, and once this range will get break, very soon your stock will be reaching to $400, my dear friends. So be very very clear, and once it's break this resistance 368, then very fast, very quickly you will see $400. And my dear friends, finally I want to update you that this neckline of this rounding bottom will going to act as a very strong support, because multiple positive factors got triggered over here. This was an area where we have seen the downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper side. This was an area, my dear friends, this was an area where we have seen the downward sloping parallel channel got broken out on the upper side. This was an area where we have witnessed the lower lows shifted to higher highs. This was an area where we have identified the positive hidden diversion between the price action and MACD oscillation. And this is an area where we have clearly witnessed the rounding chart pattern breakout. So with due respect of all the positive factors, this area was earlier and resistant has now turned into an important support, and your stop loss should be below this important support so that it won't get triggered so easily. And my dear friends, if you really like my analysis, if you really love my analysis, then please give a like to my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel, my dear friends. Thank you. Bye bye.